Hello everyone. This is Mac with Southern Bus Homestead and doing a little work day. It's trying to rain sprinkling on me. He's out here in the garden trimming up some okra plants and picking okra. Ooh, I love okra. But anyway, I'm hiding under the the trellis. It's sprinkling a little bit, but I didn't want to get my camera wet. Anyway, I'll show you what I'm gonna do real quick before it starts pouring. So I am picking some okra, and I'm also trimming leaves. So like these low ones, I'll just cut them right off. You don't need them. They don't need to be on there. They're just sucking juice, because this top cover, this canopy right up here protects from the sun. So all this stuff down below, if you notice, there are no okras. There's not any okra down below here, so there's no need for these lower limbs to be on there. See, like that one, it's just stuck in here in the middle of nowhere. They don't need to be on there. It's just taking up energy and nutrients and all that kind of good stuff from the okra plant. So as long as you have a good top cover up here to protect the plant from the sun, then all this down below here, you don't need that. Just trim them up and we just drop it on the ground. So that's what I'm doing. Picking that okra. That's some good looking okra. Man, I love okra. I like fried okra. I used to like boiled okra, but I don't like boiled okra anymore. It's kind of like trying to eat snot or something. It's kind of slimy. So anyway, like I was saying, all these low limbs like this, they don't need to be on there. They're not doing anything but zapping the juice from the plant. Plus it helps to get them out of your way, helps to get to the okra. That's just what we do. You can do what you want to do, but that's what we do, because they produce as they go up, and so down here, they're not going to be producing anymore. So the taller they get, you can see all the flowers up here and the new okra coming in. So there's no need for the lower limbs to be on here. Plus, I like cutting them out of my way. They're kind of prickly. They poke you. Hey, y'all see me? I don't know if y'all can hear that thunder in the background. It keeps acting like it wants to do something, and it'll sprinkle, then it'll quit. And I just got tired of fooling with it. I said, well, I'm gonna go out and I ain't stopping until it pours. Cause it'll sprinkle a little bit, then it quits. And I done gone in, I don't know how many times, and then it quits, and then I'm like, crap. So I'll come back out, start again, and then it stops and starts, stops and starts. So anyway, figured I'd get a little of this done. This was one of my chores that my lovely wife Patty told me to do while she was gone. So got to get my chores done, or it won't be good when she gets back. So chicken sounds like they're laying eggs over there, cackling up a storm. She's got some big ones on here. I don't know why she's leaving them. Maybe it's for the Sampson Farms contest. So I'm not going to pick these big ones. So it might be for like the biggest okra or something. I don't know. I'm not going to pick it. If she's left it on here that long, it's got to be a reason. And if I cut it, might be in trouble. And I don't want to be in trouble with the boss lady. That is not good. Not good at all. I watch her, she's probably gonna come out here and go, "What did you do to my okra? You butchered it." Oh well. She won't ask me to cut okra again, will she? Hope she don't see this video. I'll be in trouble. So, yep, bugs are all over this, man. That ain't good. All right. I'm not gonna, there's a couple of big ones on here. Like I said, I'm gonna leave, but I gotta move down to another section. Oh, I like this red okra. I don't think we grew it last year. I can't remember, but I like it. Got a good flavor. Got some more dang chickens. 3 more chickens. Heading to the house. There's our new chickens. The cat walked by and scared them, so now they're cackling. Okay. Mr. Rooster over here is upset. It's all right. It's okay. Girls are fine. They just got a little scared. Straw for the chickens. Oh, we got turkeys just walking right through our yard. I'm talking and filming and doing a video. Patty's working out there in the garden. And these freaking wild turkeys just walking right through the yard, man. That's crazy. Wow. That is really cool. I'm gonna sneak over here and see if I can get a little bit better view. Yeah, that is so cool. I might have to try doing a fall turkey hunt. We have never seen, I mean, we've seen turkeys around here in the last, the years, but nothing like this. I mean, we get a flock coming through here with 9 every day. But one time we counted 20 in the flock. It's like mama bird right there. A couple of them. They're in the shadows. I don't know if you can see them very good. But that is just crazy. So Patty is over here working on the tomatoes. The turkeys, she said, came right down here, right here and she is right there. Came right down to here, looked at her, and she's working. And they walked down through there, walk around over here, and walked around over here. And then that's where I saw them and videotaped them. That is crazy. She said they just stopped and looked at her. And she's just working. She tried to get a phone out. She had gloves on. She couldn't get it out in time, but that's just unbelievable. Wow. So while I was videoing out about the turkeys coming up to Patty, I looked over there and I'm going, what the crap? I just saw this and I don't even know when it happened. It must have happened in that last big wind we had, because wow. Didn't even know it. It's been down for a while, because look at the leaves. See, those are green. These are dead. But this is kind of in our backside property by the ditch, so we don't really come down here much. And it's kind of hid because of this brush tree line that I really need to cut down. So we didn't even really pay attention to it. And I looked down here and man, it's a pretty good sized tree limb up there. So guess I got some cleanup to do. There's some more over here, but they were already dead, but it fell too. I don't know if you can see it. There's a bunch of crap right in there that fell. That's new. Looked like an old tree here, and it fell that way and landed up on top of there. It was already dead. I really want to get a logger, come in here and log some of these trees out by the creek all the way down the side of my property. It's pretty thick in there, and anyway, that's future goals. Man, Patty, wow, you done a good job.
Trying to save my tomatoes.
Man, you really picked them all up good. And what down here?
We're growing trees, tomato trees.
Man, them things are tall.
Yes, they are.
I'm 6 foot, and some of them are 2 feet taller than me.
They're probably 9 foot tall. And they're flopped over even. If they straighten up, they'd be taller.
Wow. If I can get down through here. Yeah, these are still flopped over.
Yeah.
Golly, if you were to straighten that one up, that thing would be 10 feet tall. Man. All right, I'm pretty impressed. She did all this by herself. I should have helped her, but she got tired of waiting on me. And she put these poles that I cut. She put them up, strung them up, and did all that herself. Man, tell you what, she's a keeper right there. I wouldn't trade her for a horse or nothing like that. Yeah, she did a really good job. Wow, pretty impressive. Beautiful ending.
Whoa!
Beautiful ending to a day with rain. Ain't that pretty? Wow, look at that.
And go all the places and go, whoa.
What colors do you see?
Red, blue, green, purple.
Yeah.
There's so many colors.
That's my grandson.
It's yellow.
He's looking at the rainbow. Man, ain't that pretty? Wow,
Cool.
it's pretty bright.
Amazing.
I see red, yellow, green, blue.
Yep.
Excuse me.
Pretty awesome.